Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your maths teacher. So today we'll be starting a new series of mathematics. This is math wise. So we are starting from book 5. So rest of the book 4, book 3, book 2, book 1 will also do lectures time to time. But we are starting from book 5. So this is math wise. And unit 1 we will start today. So this is about review and assess, right? So whatever you have studied in class 4, so different concepts you have studied in class 4 we will review in this unit number 1. So exercise 1 is decade is 10 years. एक decade जो है 10 साल का होता है, decade उसको कहते हैं. A lot can happen in 10 years. 10 सालों में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. Read these facts of changes in the United States from 1950 to 1960 and answer these questions given below. So this is a table given here. So some incidents, facts, activities have been given here in this column, and what happened in 1950 and then what was the situation in 1950 and 1960. So this is given, and then here different questions have been given, right? So we'll see and we'll try to solve this exercise 1. So here is information given that in the US petrol is measured in gallons and distance in miles. So 1 liter is equal to 0.26 gallons. 1 liter में 0.26 gallons होते हैं. 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 miles. This is information given, so you have to remember this. So question number 1 is the total number of miles of telephone wire used in 1950 and 1960. So miles of telephone wires, this is given in 1950 and this is a figure given in 1960. So let's see, telephone wire miles in 1950 were this figure is given. So it is better to write this figure to into the place value chart. So we will write the place value chart like this: unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So we'll put all these numbers in the place value chart, and we'll see their value. So we'll read it like this: 38 million. This is million, right? Then 525,000. 38,525,000. Then this is a figure given in 1950, and now we'll see the figure in 1960. 1960 it is given telephone miles were 65,735,000. So we'll put this into the place value chart, and then we will read it like this: 65,735,000. Right? So this is question number 1. And now see question number 2 is the total number of vehicles on US roads in 1950 and 60. So both the numbers again we will study. Total number of vehicles on US roads 1950 and 1960. 1950 it was this number is given, figure is given, so we'll put this figure in the place value chart, and then we will see 49,300,000. Yes, 300,000, simple. 49,300,000 and then thousands, right? Then question number 3 is there. This is in 1950, and this is according to 1960. Next is given. So we'll put this figure into the place value chart, and then we will read it like this: 73 million, right? 73 million, right? Then 769,000, right? 69,000. Then question number 3 is find the difference between the number of passengers miles on US roads in 1950 and 60, right? So question number 3, in 1950 this figure is given, so we'll put this into the place value chart, right? So we'll read it like this: 458,246, right? Then in 1960 this figure is given, again put these figures in place value chart, and then see their value: 718,000 845, right? Then fourth question, what was the total amount of motor fuel sold in given 10 years, right? In 10 years motor fuel, right? So see, motor fuel sold in 1950, this was something, this 4280,000, and then 1960 it was 63,714,000. So so now I will add them. So we'll write this in vertical form and then add, right? So this figure will be after adding we'll get this figure, and then put this figure into the place value chart. So then we'll read it 100, right? 3,103,000,000, right? 994,000. 103,994,000, we will read it like this, right? This is in words. Then last part, number 5, what does 8 mean in this figure is given, so we have to tell the place value of 8. So we'll put this figure into the place value chart, right? So we'll see what is the place value of 8. So place value of 8 is 8, right? So this is all for today.